guys, welcome to Uniek Makes by Christina. I do have an Echo Park haul to share with you. I bought some of their Halloween when they had the Halloween sale, so let's go ahead and let me show you what I got. Okay, Echo Park had a Halloween sale, plus they also had a warehouse sale also. But I did want to get a few things from the Halloween section before some of them go out of stock. So I went ahead and ordered 3 different paper pads. Yeah, I ordered Halloween Fun, Halloween, and Halloween Party. So let's go ahead and look at this stuff first. We'll move this aside. Okay, the first one I wanted to share is Halloween Fun. Now some of these didn't have any extras like small paper pads or ephemera, so I just stuck with the actual papers, because a lot of these papers can match with others, especially the collections I have. But I do like the vintage. I also like the vintage look. So let's go ahead and look at this one. Okay, this one's Halloween Fun, and this one is 12 by 12, and it does have a sticker, plus it does have cut aparts. Look at that one. Oh wow, look at this. And this is like a little textured. Yeah, it's pretty thick. Yeah, stars. Look at that one. Candy corn and pumpkins. Look at that. I love the vintage. This one. So how many of you guys are into vintage vintage Halloween, vintage Christmas, anything vintage? Look at that. Yeah, a vintage witch. Oh, love the bats. Love, love, love. That one. Oh, I do love my checkered. Well, it's not checkered, but the diamond background. That. Love, love, love. The spider web. Oh, I like this. And if you look on the bottom, it does show you what's on the opposite side. Oh, I like this one. Pumpkins. Oh, the cut aparts. All the goodness in here. I do like this. That's a longer one. The owl. Love it. The dancing skeleton. And the one with the pumpkin on his head. Oh, look at this one. Love, love, love. I love this one. Cut aparts. Check out the cat. Love the cat. And this one, you get the black and white. And then you get the ghosties. Then it does come with the little cut apart, stickers. Oh, look at all this. I do like the banners. Love, love, love. So much goodness in there. So that one is that kit. Okay, so that is a Halloween Fun kit. So that's the first one. Let's go ahead and check out Halloween. If you look, they're similar. All 3 of these are similar. So they're all kind of vintage. These were the only ones that I didn't have in my stash. Oh wow, I like this one. This one's like a claw. Okay, so let's look at that one. Oh, look at this. Love that. You got some pumpkins with witches hats. Oh, love this. Love, love, love. And spooky. Background. Oh, look at this one. Flowers. Love, love, love. The stars. Thinking about it, I think I do have this one in my stash. I remember that sign, so yeah, this one I do have. Well, it's alright, because the other one I have a backup. The witch's hat and witch's feet. Love, love, love. That one. The bat on orange. The spider. I do love the spiderweb backgrounds. And then I do like the lines. Yeah, I have this kit. Good deal. At least I still like the same things. Look at that. Love it. And I love this one. Check out that background. And you got the cats. And then you got this one here. I do love the frames and the car. Oh, I love it. So this was a cute one. I love this one. Okay, so that was Halloween. The next one is Halloween Party. And this is a similar, it has 12 by 12 stickers and cut aparts. Let's check this one out. Oh, I like that. This one we got more stars. I love me some stars. And then you got a lot of cut apart. Hocus Pocus, October 31. Love this one. You got the squares. Oh, look at that. Cutie patootie pumpkins. Some stars. And then you got the, oh, I like this one. The pumpkin skull and the bone. Love that. I do love this banner. Let's go trick or treat. Love, love, love. Then you have a black one. Has it got anything hidden? Oh, black with the opposite side. Oh, no, that's a, you got a black one, and then this side's a candy. Love, love, love. Smaller bats. Oh, check out the candy corn. And then you have the stripe. The dancing skeletons. My fave with the web in the background. Oh, I also like board background like that. Love this. Oh, look at this one. Love it. Then you got more cut aparts. A real cute, kit. Okay, love, love, love. Will be a nice sweater. A spider background on white. More cut aparts. Love it. This one you have ghosties. Love that. Oh, ghosties with stars. Love it. And then here goes your sticker one. Oh wow, this one has a lot of frames and even has a banner. I like the Halloween. Yeah, this is, I'm a 3 for 3. I love all 3 kits. So that is Halloween Party. So the next thing I did get, I got, who's this one from? This one's, okay, this one is Halloween Fun. So it goes with the first kit, and then this one just frames and tags. So I was able to get that one. Got that. And then I did get 2 stencils. One is a flying bat. So that was cute. And then the witches with the moon. Love this one too. So I just got those 2. And then I did get a paper pad that goes the same thing as Halloween Fun. It's just in the 6x6. So I also got this one. So yeah, that is my small Halloween haul from Echo Park. This site also, you want to subscribe so that you can know when their deals are coming in and stuff, because I think almost every month, every week or so, they have different deals. Plus their warehouse deal, which I think might be, I think it's over already, but there should be another one starting up soon. But yeah, this is my little Halloween haul that I got from their little sale that they had. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.